guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liana Cordero. If you're new, hi and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title of the video, is going to be another shopping haul. Now this one, I found a lot of cute things. I went to American Eagle, I went to Ulta, I went to Tjmaxx and Macy's. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Okay, so first I went to Ulta. Got a big bag. So the first thing that I see, I did buy these two palettes. I got one by the Nubian by Julius. And this one is just like a all nude palette. They had ones that are colorful, but I needed something just with a bunch of nudes. So I really like this one. And it's perfect for traveling. I'm going to be traveling back to New Mexico in July. So that was perfect for that. And then secondly, I got my favorite palette, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I got the first one, Take Me to Brazil. This is the second one. So beautiful. And then I also got this Space Kitten I Do Care T-Zone Clearing Galactic Peel Off Mask. So this one is really good for the T-zone area, and that's where I have my problems the most. So I'm really looking forward to trying that out. Also, I got another butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. And then I did want to try this. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Wear Mattifying Weightless Waterproof Setting Powder. So this looks really nice. Can you see it? This one looks really nice. This one's the lady told me that it's not only mattifying, but that it's really good for blotting. So doesn't really have anything and no pigment, so that's good just for light touch-ups and blotting. Okay, also I got another lash tweezer. These are the ones that I normally get. I do get sometimes the ones at Walgreens. Those are like $3. I can't find them. They sold out for whatever reason. Okay, also I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is my favorite. And I picked up another liquid lipstick. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Starfish. So I'm gonna open. It was really pretty when I swatched it. It's like a darker nude. Of course, on me, it could look more pinky or even brown, but I really like it. So that's perfect for my nude simple looks that I like to do. Also, I got another Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I did pick up 3 Morphe brushes that I needed to get again. The first one is the Morphe 444. And it's just a buffer, deluxe definition buffer brush. So these ones I really love to use for my foundation. This is how I apply my foundation. I use this brush. It's nice and dense. And then also I got the Morphe M53 and the Morphe M441. So this one's a really good blending brush, the Morphe M443 or Morphe M593, sorry. This one is really good. Also, I like the M441 to use after I finish all my whatever shadow I'm doing, and I just go over and blend all the colors because it's nice and fluffy. It's bigger than the M53. Okay, also I got another mascara. This is one that I normally use on an everyday basis. It's waterproof. Got some lash glue. This is just the Duo Lash Glue in clear. You can see it. And then I'm excited to try this. It's the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. So I heard this one is really good. So I am excited to try it. And then also this one too, it's the Milani Prime Shield Face Primer. And this one's for mattifying, so I need that. And then lastly, I did get 2 more Real Techniques Beauty sponges. I wanted to get the Morphe one, I don't even know what it is. It's just a Morphe sponge, but there's like 2 different ones that is out. And I usually use the one with the flat, the round side to the top or the bottom. Yeah, the bottom. But there was none. They had none in stock, so I was pretty disappointed about that. Moving along, I went to American Eagle again. I did find cute things though, so I'm very happy with my finds. Okay, so firstly, I got this top. Just a simple tank. I really love it for like springtime because of the floral. And actually this one I wore yesterday. I already wore it, but it is just this little cropped cute shirt. And then these are the jeans that I wore with it yesterday. These are the Next Level Stretch cropped high rises. And I really like the distress in the front. They're so cute. And then the last pair of jeans, the last pair that I got is the jegging regular low rise. I think I wanted to get high rise. These are just a nice ripped blue. Probably have to try these on to see how they fit because I thought I got high rise. Okay, so the next store that I went to was Macy's and only got one thing. I wanted some like wedges, sort of heel but not too big because I'm already tall. So I already wore these, but I couldn't, they were just too cute. So I found these Mark Fisher ones, and I think these are so adorable. And it's like a pretty, like obviously my favorite color, can you not tell? So I'm excited to wear these. I wear a lot of pastels and like whites, so almost everything in my closet matches with those. Okay, now the big bag. I'm going to first start, so I have 2 different bags from Tjmaxx, and they're these big bags. Like, I went ham. I did my shopping. So, I'm gonna start first with all the clothing, and then I'll get into like the home, the kitchen, accessory, all that. So, actually, I'll start with the earrings. So firstly, I did get these 3 pairs of earrings. These ones, I love the tassels. These are my favorite. They just stud right in your ear. And this one's pink. And then I got a white just to match with everything. And they were only $10 each. So I'm really happy I found those. And then I got some Adidas socks. I really want to get the pink Adidas, I don't know what they're called. They're super cute. And I've been wanting to get them. And I saw them on sale. So I found these socks as I was checking out. And I was like, these would go perfect. Like, it's the perfect length. And they're Adidas. It would match. So I got those for that reason. And then I did get these Vanilla Star Festival shorts. So these are cute. And they just have little fringe at the bottom. These were $12.99. So that's a really good price. And then of course, I got some pajamas because I love pajamas. I love the sets. And this one's by Betsy Johnson. And this one was $16.99. So it's just this cute tank. It has Paris, it has lipsticks, has eyelashes, has shoes, has hearts. That's all me. And then these cute bottoms. And then the second one I got is a satin one. It's super cute. Here are the shorts. And then the top is a cute lace. So excited for that. Last pajama set I got was this flowy baby pink one. This is really cute. I love the top itself. I don't know why, but I love the top itself. So cute, flowy, breezy, perfect for spring. Okay, so also I got this white peplum or something shirt. I don't know if you can tell, but at the bottom it has that ruching where it cinches in and then it like flurries out. So I got it in white. Really simple, cute. And then I got this kimono. This one was $12. And it is so cute. I love the maroon. It's like a brown maroon almost, but it looks marooner on camera. But it's super cute. It has these sleeves, but it also has ruching around. Like, how cute. And then this is the back. Oh, this is the back. I love how see-through it is because it is also perfect for a beach cover-up. Lastly, I got this dress. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm excited to try it out. It's a deep V-neck. And then it's not doesn't have a maxi skirt, but almost. Like, it's pretty long. But it's super cute. And then the bottoms. So it's like a long... I really like that it has pockets though. Has pockets on both sides. Okay, now we're gonna get into the home stuff. This is a big bag too. So firstly, of course, with the clothes that I bought, I have to get more hangers. So I just got these gray hangers this time. Normally I get black, but I was like, maybe I'll get gray. And I only had one black one and it was like all ripped up, so I was like, I'll just get these gray ones. So these are the Isaac Mizrahi New York velvet hangers. These were $12.99. So these ones were like $2 more, I think, than the last ones that I bought. And then also I want, ooh. Also, I want to switch up my theme, and I want to, well, the bedroom and the bathroom, I want to go with gray and yellow for spring. So I went ahead and I picked up these cute towels. So I picked up these 2 hand towels. Super cute. It's just... I love the pattern, and then the fact that the pattern is the same, and then it has, oh, I can't talk today. It has yellow in the middle, but the same pattern. So I got 2 of those, and then I just got this, it's like a light yellow hand towel. Not hand towel, like a, yeah, I guess like a smaller hand towel. What is this called? A bath towel? So I just got this yellow one. Normally I use these for my face, like whenever I finish washing my face. I use only certain ones on my hands. And then moving right along with the bath stuff, I got this cute Precision Beauty cotton ball and swab organizer. This was only $3.99. Like, it's crazy, and it's so cute. You put the cotton swabs right here, and then around you put the cotton balls. So it turns out looking like that. And then I did also get this for my bathroom. I figured I could put like cute perfumes. I could put my husband and I's deodorant, anything like that. I could put it here. Has a bottom here and here. This was only $10, or $8 actually. They had so many colors, and they also had one that had one more tier, but 2 tiers was enough. This is a like baby blue, almost white. They didn't have any white, so I got the baby blue. I would have gotten white though. And then I got, these are so cute, I got these mugs, but look how cute the holder that it comes in. Plus it comes with 4 mugs. It is so cute and pastels. It brings me very much Easter vibes. And I'm going along with Easter, I got this cute little bunny. I don't know why I got it, but it was like when I first walked in the store and I was like, oh, that's so cute. So she was only $5.99, so I'll have to figure out a place to put her. I don't know where to put her, but she's so cute. I love Easter. I love pastels, so why wouldn't I love Easter? Okay, lastly, I got this beauty organizer also to go along. I think it is so cute. This was only $10. You can put your brushes up here because it's the, let's see if I can show you. The drawer is deep, so brushes can actually stand up here. Then you can put like setting sprays right here, and then it has one more flat one, and then it has this drawer, 2 drawers. Oh no, it's just one big drawer. So that is super cute. I'm excited. Okay, so that is all for my shopping haul. I did actually get some more things at Tjmaxx. I got about 7 things, but that is for my husband's care package, and I'm not going to show it because then he'll know what he got. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe and like this video.